I've argued in State Secularism and Liberal Religion, I argued there that, for example, secularist policies by and large produced ignorance of formal religious knowledge. That is to say, the various ways in which the Soviet Union tried to rein in the visible presence of religious practices and religious institutions, and above all, religious authorities, really amounted to people not knowing much about orthodoxy. They didn't understand the symbolism. They didn't know what rituals were practiced and why they were practiced. And they certainly didn't know much in the way of doctrine, for example. So it produced, rather than producing atheism, which was its goal, it really produced ignorance of just a lack of knowledge, a lack of awareness, a lack of familiarity with the formal aspects of religious practice. But that's something very different from a secular outlook or atheism.